Hi everyone, it's Leah from Sunshine. We are the manufacturer of camping chairs and beach chairs over 19 years. Today I will recommend you a new style folding chair. You can see it is very easy to open and fold it. The fabric is 600 polyester, and we made the double line with foam, and the arm is wooden. So when you sit on the chair, you will feel more comfortable. You can see, and this chair only has one position. Okay, and the frame is aluminum. With the power coating treatment, so the weight is very light, and here has a handle strip. We can take it conveniently. So if you want to get more information about this chair, just contact us. Bye.